Hi everyone. Welcome to our Spotlight Consultant, a strategic outlook for Spotlight Consultant. Today I will discuss about the future growth of placement agency or HR consultant. This video is most useful who runs placement consultant business and for proprietor and director of HR consultant. Now I will start with the topic of the future OFR recruitment and growth prospects for the year 2025-2030. The golden era OF recruitment. Market evolution. The recruitment industry is entering an unprecedented growth phase, with transformative opportunities for strategic players like Spotlight Consulting. Market value projected to reach 30 billion US dollars by 2030. Hiring sentiment 2026 record high of 40% employer intent up from 29%. The opportunity Spotlight position to lead tech-driven, skill-based hiring shift. Let's discuss about sector growth engines where the demand is. Top sectors driving recruitment demand. First is core and infrastructure leads at 20%, followed by manufacturing 12%, BFSI 10%, and IT services 10%. In manufacturing sector, there is 12% market share with growing demand for skilled workers. In BFSI sectors, 10% share across banking, financial services, and insurance. And in strategic shift, 35% surge in AI, data analytics, and renewable energy roles. Let's discuss about geographic expansion, the rise of TIER2 and TIER3 hubs. Recruitment is expanding beyond metros as companies discover untapped talent pools in emerging cities across India. About decentralization, recruitment is expanding beyond traditional metros. About key growth cities, cities as Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Pune are leading the charge. About Catalyst, GCCS migrating to smaller cities for fresh talent pools.
Let's discuss about the four pillars of modern recruitment key trends reshaping the business. These four strategic pillars are transforming how organizations attract, assess, and retain top talent in the evolving recruitment landscape. Let's start with pillar 1 AI, artificial intelligence augmented recruiting. Agentic AI cutting time to hire by 50%. Second pillar is skills first hiring. 85% employers prioritize skills over degrees. Third pillar is consultative partnership, shift from resume vendors to workforce planners. Fourth pillar is gig economy integration. Talent clouds for 16% contract workforce. Let's discuss about the Spotlight advantage, our foundation. Spotlight is leveraging 10 years of pan-India expertise to deliver unmatched recruitment solutions and strategic talent partnerships. Its data richness. Spotlight has 10 years of data powering predictive retention models. Its network reach. Spotlight has pan-India footprint aligned with non-metro talent growth. Its established trust. AI-only competitors cannot replicate human trust. Let's discuss about the STR strategic conclusion. Looking ahead. Positioning Spotlight Consultant for continued leadership through the strategic integration of technology and human expertise. Spotlight objective: blend AI efficiency with human trust to maintain leadership. Spotlight vision: evolve from placement agency to strategic talent partner. Spotlight commitment: empower India's workforce for the next decade.
Let's discuss about the summary and their next steps. Moving forward. Actionable strategies to capitalize on growth opportunities and strengthen Spotlight Consultants' market position for 2026 to 2030. Spotlight market expansion, capitalize on booming recruitment market and sector demand. Spotlight geographic growth, expand aggressively in TIER2 and TIER3 hubs. Spotlight differentiation, leverage AI and skills first hiring, strengthen partnerships. Dr. Digation, thank you. I owe you subscribers for listening to our video, questions and discussion. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to partnering with you on the future of recruitment and talent acquisition across India. Contact us, mobile or WhatsApp Spotlight at 727-6134-119. Email hr@spotlightjobs.in. Website www.spotlightjobs.in. Follow, like and subscribe our YouTube channel.